Hello and welcome. We are a group of HCI master's students from University College London, and we are excited to share our solution for combating technophobia in refugee and asylum seeker communities, and also to share a little bit about our design process.
We conducted 6 semi-structured interviews with staff at refugee centers to understand the digital skills training methods and technologies they use for refugee and asylum seeker integration. We identified the following 3 themes. 1. Refugees' immigration status and access to basic needs is reliant on their timely responses to emails. 2. Interacting with unfamiliar technologies is stressful for refugees, preventing them from checking their emails regularly. 3. Current digital skills training courses are not supplying long-term increases in self-efficacy. Findings helped us develop the following 2 personas, which we refer to throughout our design process. This is Josh, he's 24 years old and has lived in the UK for under a year. His main goal is to gain professional tech skills for a job. This is Linda, she's 61 years old and has lived in the UK for about 6 years. Her main goal is to gain familiarity with technology in order to be able to stay in contact with her loved ones.
We emphasize modularity in our design by dividing the simulated interface, in this case email, into various physical interactable components, which we then represented using cardboard for our prototype. We evaluated the functionality of our prototype using Wizard of Oz Think Aloud sessions with 5 participants. Our results show that the participants really enjoyed the interactive nature of the game and liked all the different types of feedback that we provided. That being said, they told us that we needed to clarify our game's goals and make navigation of the interactable elements easier for the final design.
The final iteration of Connectopia is a briefcase-like game board using Arduino and RFID technology to enable automated interactive fun. The top half is a magnetic game board with a scoreboard and a task and hint card stand that pulls out from behind. The bottom half is the cards and magnetic component storage, consisting of LCD screens and buttons. These LCD screens are programmed to simulate various interface components, such as the inbox sidebar and the email input text box. The buttons include common icons present in email interfaces that the players can interact and familiarize themselves with as well.
Dive into Connectopia, a groundbreaking board game blending fun with technology's education, designed to demystify digital tools and combat technophobia through engaging gameplay. It simulates real-world digital scenarios with sensors and programmable elements. It turns complex interactions, such as government communications, into approachable challenges. As a social, 2-player experience, Connectopia fosters both competitions and cooperations, promoting collaborative problem-solving in a playful setting. Its standout feature is the multimodal feedback system, providing clear, instant cues for learning and adaptation. The game's modular nature allows for endless customizations with various task cards and components. It extends its relevance to numerous digital domains beyond basic communications.
To start the game, each of the 2 players draw a task card from the deck. Player 1 places their drawn task card on the RFID stand, asking Player 2 to attempt this task. For example, Player 2 would need to place the physical components on the magnetic board and then click on them to indicate completion of this task. If Player 2 completes the task correctly, in this case placing all the physical components in their correct place, then this earns them points. These points will be displayed on the scoreboard. Each player can ask for a hint up to 3 times throughout the game. Once Player 2 completes or fails their task, they switch roles. This time, Player 2 places their task card on the RFID stand, and Player 1 tries to achieve this task. The 2 players will continue to switch roles while completing tasks of varying difficulty levels. The player with the most points at the end of the game wins.
With Connectopia, we hope to help refugees and asylum seekers connect with their new communities just a little bit easier. Thank you for watching.